Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to clear clipboard on Android phone. So the clipboard stores copied text and images temporarily, but Android does not always have a built-in clear clipboard option. So in this video I'm going to give you how you can delete your clipboard history based on your device type. So I actually have about 3 methods at which you can use to clear the clipboard. So let's start it. So clear the keyboard from the G keyboard using the keyboard, so which is the Google keyboard. So let's get started. Open any app where you can type, message, note, just any app that you can easily type. Then tap and hold the text field, then select clipboard, then tap edit or manage if available, then tap clear or manually delete individual item. And note that if you don't see the clipboard, enable it by tapping the Gboard settings, then click on clipboard, then turn on the clipboard option in the Gboard settings. And on the second method, which is to clear the clipboard from the Samsung keyboard, so if you are a Samsung user, come closer. So open a text field, which is to open the you can simply open the message, note, or any social media platform that allows you to type. Then type the keyboard settings, then tap the keyboard settings icon on or the three dot, which is the three dot icon, then select the clipboard, then from there tap delete or clear all to remove clipboard history. And this work perfectly with Samsung, also with Xiaomi and some other brand with a custom keyboard. And you can also use this method which is to restart your phone. So this will temporarily clear the clipboard. So we can restart your phone to automatically clear the temporary clipboard data if using Gboard copied items may disappear after an hour. And that's a simple way to clear clipboard on Android phone. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.